Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Siphezulu kwayo indaba kaBhubezi, indaba kaSibindi, uyabulala uphinde uphilise nyani. We can see apparently this is the new girlfriend that is a virgin, girlfriend kaMpumelelo enshasha le ekhuphulele uTirelo high inyuse yathi hey. If you remember the way uTirelo was being so mean to Uvuyokazi, telling her, oh my gosh, she must let go, she must love herself, she must have self-worth. Iphi i-self-worth yakho sisiTirelo? Cause wow, naye uyagowisha ke ngoku uze uyebika pha. We saw the trailer of the coming up season of Ingane Zesithembu. uTirelo axelele uTata uMsele kuba uMpumelelo has a new girlfriend that he's going to pay lobola for before Uvuyokazi. So she thought her eliminating Uvuyokazi and making sure ukubana Uvuyokazi leaves, because Uvuyokazi left ukubana njani uza kungiqelela ukubana ufuna ukutshata omunye umfazi, that you make her the first wife after I was here first and I bore kids for you first and I was here before uTirelo. So that thing also, so uTirelo might have had it in her head ukubana if Vuyokazi is out, which means she'll be the first wife. Kanti no ways Jose's ayisebenze kanjalo ke ekhandeni likaSibindi, ekhandeni likaBhubezi nkosi yami. And yena wayetshilo ukubana if he's going to marry a wife, he's going to want a woman, a girl that is still a virgin, that will be the first woman azakumlobola. And then again he will decide ubana who's next and who's next and who's next from whoever is on the queue. So we can see lana uSibahle apostile ke isithombe sikaBhubezi. uBhubezi anethezekile, happy, akhohliwe nje kwasani, having his best birthday, because apparently it was his birthday. So he went and spent his birthday with uSibahle, where it was captioned ukubana POV, surprise visit from a friend, and this is the friend uBhubezi ke aposte huye uSibahle. Nkosi yami, we know ukubana ezitshomi ziphelela kephi. Let me know, what do you guys think about this whole thing of uMpumelelo getting other women pregnant and abazalisa abantwana, and then he would want to marry a girl that is still a virgin. I don't know about uSibahle, if they are friends okanye she is the virgin that Mpumelelo says ubana he wants to marry, because from what I've went through her TikTok, I don't know. Let's not judge the book by its cover. Let's not judge it at all. They know each other, they know better, they know everything. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.